Hello everyone and welcome to Sneakeroos. I know it's been a while that I haven't been doing any unboxing videos, but I think this time I'm going to do something real quick. No effects, no intro, no b-rolls. All I have to do is just show you and open the box. And I've told you before, like I'm very notorious for kind of buying sneakers and not opening them right away. So at this stage, I don't know what's inside this box, but I just want to share with you like whatever is inside this box. So let's do the unboxing and see how it goes. Anyway, like I said, sometimes I buy shoes or sneakers that I don't usually open them, and then when I check my delivery, I mean, of course, I mean, I have all of those messages, but I still don't have any idea, or I lost track of which is which inside this box. So let's do that right now. I think it's easier like this. All right, so I'm not sure what this is, but maybe we'll make a guess. Ooh, all right. Purple. I don't want to make a guess, but I'm not sure. I don't want to make mistakes, but let's just open it. Ooh, all right. Wow. Okay. Here's the box. Here it is. So it's a Nike SB. So I'm assuming this should be a Dunk, I presume. All right. So let's have a look. Oh, all right. Yes, it's a Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. So it's actually a size 9.5, and the colorway is I don't know. I mean, maybe it's a light. It's brown something. Okay, but anyway, I'm just gonna open it. I mean, I don't care about what the color is, but let's just open it. How do you open it? Okay, let's do this. You will see it first rather than me. Oops, I don't know what fell down. Oh my God. Oh, look at this. Oh, okay. Now I'm starting to see something nice. Okay, so that's the colorway. It's oh, wow. Wow. Okay. All right. So just like I said, it's just going to be an unboxing. Nothing too technical about it. Just wanted to show you. So that's the side profile, and the other one on the medial side, and of course this one here. And the tongue. Wow, this is actually this feels comfy already. All right. Okay, but yeah, so this is the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, and I'm sorry about the name and the colorway. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna create a proper video for this one. But anyway, that's just a quick unboxing. I'll send you. I'll give you more images and more proper review in the next video clip. So anyway, have a great time and days, and I'll see you in the next video.